One of the most successful hybrid events ever has been this year's UN COP28 conference. They've shattered hybrid attendee numbers, achieved more milestones than ever believed possible, and took major steps forward to changing the world. And if you want a successful event, you must learn from the best. If you don't, it could cost you millions in missed deal flow for your company and companies in attendance. And the recipe to success has been simple. Extend their event's impact through a hybrid event set up by not just starting conversations on the day one of the conference, but nearly a year in advance. By starting the conversation early and wide, they built an incredible momentum, allowing big decisions to be made at the event. For your event to mimic such results, make sure start community building early, integrate hybrid event solutions to extend your event's impact, and go all in on maximizing the pre-event experience. Do so and maximize your event dollars and deal flow. Reach out to me to level up your next event today.